Hello everyone and welcome back to MK Tech. In today's vlog, we will continue to work on disassembling the interior. We have about a week and a half out before we'll be taking the vehicle to the paint shop, so we still have quite a bit of work to be done. By the way, if you're not a subscriber to my channel, please consider subscribing for more content. And as always, go ahead and click on that big fat thumbs up and don't forget to leave a comment below. Let's get into the vlog. So this comes off pretty easy. The same thing. You have this bracket right here, which the plastic piece clips to right here. And now, in order to get this whole thing off, I have to remove this bolt right here where the seatbelt is mounted to. I believe that's going to be probably a 15. Let's get my 15 millimeter. Okay. Put this through here. This comes out through here, see? Then I'm going to do the same thing here. 15 millimeter, remove this bolt and remove this piece, the seatbelt, and put it in the bag. Okay, so I figured out how to remove this. So basically you slide it towards this way and then boom, right there. So that's how you remove it. So you slide it backwards, slide it towards this direction instead of the other way. Let's remove it. Boom. Just go back on here. Let me remove the base first. And the base, remove the base. Use the Phillips 2 bolts right here. Okay, that's removed. So, and then that. Switch back on here. Boom. So now, and that's removed completely. Awesome. Okay, so I'm gonna remove this part. Why should I let it be here? Let it. Oh, look, this looks so good underneath here. This thing is well maintained, well kept. I'm gonna fold this up nicely, put it on the shelf. As far as trims go, just gotta remove this one right here, very last one. Oh yeah, I forgot to remove this part right here. I'm gonna remove this one right here. A bit of leverage. Excellent. Let's remove this one right here. Boom. Same thing here. Pop this out. Oh, it's gonna be a little. This is a hard one to pop out, but he'll come out. Nothing next.
We're uneven again. It's that side.
This side again?
I gotta come around there.
Well, here we go. That just moved a lot. Let's try it again.
Okay, I'll just set I'm behind again now.
Yes, we finally got it to go back. Man. Get this thing out right away.
This isn't going to give you any access to the front of the...
No, it's not. Still not giving me access to remove this part right here. So,
No.
how would I get access to? No, there's no way I'll get. No, actually, no. This right here. Remove these screws, and that pops out. These are the screw shafts. So basically, I need to pop this out.
Get this off right here, then.
This or right here? Maybe pop this out real quick.
I think.
And that gives access.
What about this?
How does it come out? Looks like it's clipped onto there.
It looks like a windshield, a kind of trick slip clip thing.
So basically what we're doing here, I want to remove this part, but I can't remove it until I unscrew the screws. And my sunroof never went back, so we finally, Chaz and I here, got it to go back by just basically prying both sides at the same time. So finally got that opened. Now we just got to figure out how to undo this real quick and undo these screws to get this part out. Okay, go ahead. So it just pops right up.
Like that?
Yeah, just try to pop it up. Go ahead. Boom, like that. So now I can undo these screws.
Looks that way.
Yeah, let's try it. Give it a shot.
Yeah, this is German here. Take the number of fasteners needed, double it, and you now see the difference between a Ford and a German car.
Gotta make sure to keep that in there.
Working on Mercedes, huh?
It's the same thing, isn't it?
I love my BMW, but I don't like working on it, I'll tell you.
It's once you figure everything out, that's when it's like, oh, I get it, you know?
You gotta have a German attitude, that's a given.
For sure. A German mindset, everything.
Is that all of it?
Oop, that came out.
It looks that way, just a minute.
Let's get that out.
How did you get up and out?
Just came out. There you go. Just put this all right here. Yeah, I'm gonna put that in the bag. Oh, here he goes. These are the screws we're looking for right there. See that? That's the one that's holding the liner.
Screws, those are the threads we just did.
Get that one out, and then we'll get this one out. And this is, I'm gonna show the viewers.
This is already loose, Mike. I just turned it back in. How did it get 3 turns out?
I have no idea, but get it out.
I just find that interesting, you know. Makes you think somebody was here already.
I know, right?
Let's try this one. See if that's how they did it. Look at that.
Yeah, there you go. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, somebody was here already. Now, I should be able to get the thing out.
If there's any in the middle.
As far as I saw, it was just that.
It doesn't look like it.
Okay, you ready? Okay, let me get this back out again. Okay, 1.
To get the headliner, you're going to have to remove this.
Well, we have to remove all this right here, right?
And across the back.
Oh my gosh, so we got
means this panel has got to come out next.
How are you gonna?
So we got to go back forward and figure out how to release it.
What if we go all the way back and see what's going on over here? Maybe we access it.
Because this is bigger than this.
Oh yeah, you're absolutely right. I didn't even notice that. Look at this, guys.
This panel has to come up.
Yeah, it has to come up. Chaz made a good point. So this all has to come up.
Tell you what, let's do this. Just a minute, let me do this.
You ready?
Yeah.
Let's roll. We just figured out that we have to remove these pieces like we just removed in order to get to the bolts that are on the inside. So I'm gonna go ahead and crank it back. Okay, you ready, Chaz? All right, here we go. Okay, I think that should be good right there, and we should access it easily now. See that? Okay, now, so we're up with this piece. Now we just gotta figure out how to get this piece out. Okay, I see it. I see it. I think it's right here.
Wait, that just comes forward past that.
We're good. Wow.
Now you should be able.
That is interesting. Look at this, guys. Wow.
Well, that's tempting.
That's the broken part right here.
Temptingly easy, but you're going to have that shit. Is it readily available?
Yeah, it should be.
Every part exists for these?
A lot, yeah. You can go on Google and Google it even, and it'll show you assembly. Yeah. Wow, this was something else. So do I need to go with a removal of the liner fully? Probably, it's ripped.
Leaving it different than the way we found it.
Yes. Okay, I think this is as far as I'm gonna go with the interior as of right now. Main thing, the sunroof is removed. Guys, this sunroof removes through the top. It's quite a challenge, but in today's modern world, you have to remove the headliner to remove it. I'm not gonna remove it fully right now, but I'm gonna leave it as is. And that's it for today. A lot of work got done today, guys. So you can see I labeled everything. I'm gonna put everything on a shelf and call it a day. Check it out. Look at this. Everything's removed. So for paint job, we can do inside the door jambs, everything. Thank you guys for watching. If you're not a subscriber, make sure to click on that subscribe button and give me that big fat thumbs up. Comment below if any questions regarding the sunroof. Yes, comment below if you guys have questions removing it. I'll be more than happy to help. See you guys next time. Viewers, subscribe to my channel to see more of awesomeness. You can also follow me on Facebook and Twitter.